All right, every few months, someone on your LinkedIn makes a post. AI is coming for your job. And if you're a project manager, you might have wondered, is my job next? Today, I want to answer that question. So, in this video, you are going to learn what one of the world's most respected publications, The Economist, says about AI and white collar jobs, and what exactly it means for your career as a project manager. By the way, if we are meeting for the first time, my name is Shoaib and we are the original project management YouTube channel since 2016. This is built by a practitioner who manages projects for a living. Everything I teach comes from real projects, and pmclounge.com, our website, is packed with free resources. So definitely consider subscribing. All right, now I want you to take a look at this Economist clip and come back for my insights on it.
Yeah, so the thinking goes, and where the fear comes in, is that because AI is so much more powerful than past technologies, that it's going to slowly creep up the value chain and do ever-increasing complicated tasks. And I think that this view does not hold weight for a few reasons. First of all, AI, even with the impressive capabilities that it has today, it can still fully automate very, very few roles. And so there was a report that came out by Anthropic late last year that found that only in 4% of occupations could AI automate 75% of the job, and that there were very few roles where AI could automate 100% of the job. And so what this means is oftentimes we oversimplify what a job actually is. Job consists of many different tasks. Some of them will be automatable through with AI, but what this will do instead, similar to past technological revolutions, is it will shift the sort of work that people are doing. So yes, data analysis, coding, a lot of these cognitive tasks will be able to be automated by AI, and the most likely effect is that jobs will then continue to adjust, expand, and the sort of work that humans are doing will continue to shift. And this is something that actually, if you look at the data, you're already starting to see in the labor market.
So what does that data show?
We found that a lot of the jobs that combined both technical work and human skills, think roles that involve a lot of coordination, such as project managers, roles such as information security analysts. These occupations have actually seen employment expand by more than 30% over the last 3 years. So there is a subset of occupations that are really, really expanding rapidly. The only group of occupations that we actually saw shrink over the last 3 years were occupations that could be considered routine back office roles. Secretaries and administrative assistants, for example, have seen employment shrink by 20% over the last 3 years. This is, of course, a concern, but we see it more as a continuation of a past pattern rather than sort of a structural shift because of AI.
So, 3 things from that clip that every project manager needs to internalize. Number 1, we have been here before. When computers arrived, all the experts predicted white collar work would be wiped out. Instead, white collar employment more than doubled. Routine tasks got automated. People shifted to higher judgment work. As an example, air traffic controllers stopped entering flight data manually and spent more time doing what only humans can do, and that is making real-time calls under pressure. That is your job. That has always been your job as a project manager. Number 2, project managers are specifically called out. They are called out by name. The data says project management roles have expanded by over 30% in the last 3 years. Not despite AI, but during the rise of AI. The roles growing fastest right now are the ones that combine technical awareness with human skills, coordination, stakeholder judgment, leading through ambiguity. You cannot automate that kind of combination. Smash that like button if this is resonating. It keeps us going, by the way. And number 3, the cyborg framing is the right one. The clip said it well. The future white collar office will look less like a robot and more like a cyborg. Humans and AI working together. I live this every day. AI drafts my status reports, summarizes my meeting notes, builds my risk register templates. It handles the routine. That frees me to do what I'm actually paid for. Think clearly, lead people, and deliver outcomes. The project manager who uses AI is not going to replace you, but the one who uses it better than you just might. One honest caveat though, entry level roles are genuinely exposed. Junior tasks, basic reporting, data entry, document drafting, these are the jobs that are being absorbed by AI. If you're early in your career, this isn't a reason to panic, it's a reason to build the skills that are hard to automate. Stakeholder management, judgment, leadership, communication, those carry a career for decades. Now, AI is not the end of project management. It is the upgrade. The project managers who treat it that way are going to dominate the next decade. Drop your answer in the comments. Has AI already changed how you manage projects day to day? I read every comment and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.